Hello, welcome back guys to Spotlight channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to increase location accuracy on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open the settings applications, and now in the settings applications, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the locations options. Now tap on it. To increase the accuracy, tap on this location surface first. Now we'll see here the location accuracy option. After, tap on it. To activate it, you just have to tap on the button beside the improve location accuracy. Now for the location accuracy is increased, yeah guys, in my phone. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial how to increase location accuracy on Motorola G06 Power. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.